sort of misdemeanor, but I guess we're all heading to a place where the grass is greener. There's fire in my belly, I'm fired up, I'm ready to carry out any mission that's not of the ordinary. Do what's most necessary, there's not many that can come near me unless you compare me to those who are legendary. I'm built like a machine, addicted to the caffeine and driving the mentality of a Royal Marine. Take a good look at my face, I ain't taking no break. The only spot I got my eyes set on is first place.
You say you want this, then you say you want this. Mama told me a little known fact, you gotta work overtime. Yeah, you want this, and yeah, you want that. You see, I got this, and I gotta have that. My mama told me a little known fact, you gotta work overtime. Nobody works no harder than me. Nobody works no harder than we. Nobody works no harder.
So there's a big difference between me and you. Not only do I have the balls to do it, I was born to do it. One step ahead of your own thoughts before you knew it. So familiar to the smell of the sewage, let me walk you through it. Grind to the hours of the graveyard shift. There ain't no stopping me till I hit the target. One of the best-selling artists in the market. A small minority right now are probably laughing. I ain't laughing or bluffing. Dude, I'm like a beast on his beats, man, I'm starving. It's appropriate to show you my hustle in case you didn't notice it. I ain't stopping till you see CMT shit.
Overtime, so keep the work coming. I refuse to socialize with those who earn nothing. Listen and keep an open mind, you can learn something. You're relying on the wife, you go inside a purse bombing. Me, I'm out the door before you hear the birds humming. I'm on the curbs running like I'm trying to keep fit. Now I'm on the curb, doesn't what I make a G rich. Serving and plugging the fiend's fix. Working with my cousin T. Smith. With a woman that returning to another freak bitch. Papers in my pockets, I'm a saver. But man will go insane with a profit for the sake of it. Sitting in the office of Michaela, plotting, rubbing and shotting is in my nature.
You say you want this, Mama told me a little known fact, you gotta work overtime. Yeah, you want this, and yeah, you want that. You see, I got this, and I gotta have that. My mama told me a Nobody works no harder than we. 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 Nobody works no harder than we.
Spēle noteikti bija viena no grūtākajām līdz šīm spēlēm. Par to liecina arī rezultāts 2-3. Un, ja pirmie 2 seti likās jau tā kā, var teikt, pat liktenīgi, tad 3. setā izdevās tomēr pierādīt to, ka mēs arī varam spēlēt. Šādi komanda izcīnījām 3., 4. setu un 5. sets 13-15. Iespējams pietrūka tieši pirmajos 2 setos servis, jo 3. un 4. setā mūsu servis bija daudz stiprāks, daudz stabilāks, un līdz ar to mēs arī varējām izcīnīt vairāk punktu un apgrūtināt arī pretinieku uzņemšanu. Pretinieku var teikt, ka viņi tomēr ir augstākās līgas, var teikt, Šenkra līgas klubs. Tas jau liecina par viņu spēles līmeni. Un mums, protams, nebija priekš viegli spēlēt. Es skatu, ka mūsu klubs ir parādījis labu sniegumu, ja spējas spēlēt ar tik augstas līgas klubu. tādā līmenī. Mēs noteikti ejam pareizā virzienā, par to liecina rezultāti. Un es domāju, ka tas darbs jāturpina. Tieši tas modelis, kas mums tagad ir, ka jaunos spēlētājus ir jātur savā klubā, komandā, jātrenē. Tad mums arī būs. Tomēr mums bija viena diena ar atpūsties pilnīgi no volejbola. Par ko nedomāt. Un tāpēc domāju, šodien varēja iet un tiešām atkal cīnīties no jauna. Un viss bija kārtībā. Varbūt tieši emocija pietrūka pirmajos 2 setos. Tas bija atkal, spēles rezultāts, nevis kaut kādu iepriekšēju spēli. Turpmākajiem priekšniekiem, es domāju, cīnīsimies tāpat. Un noteikti cerēsim arī uzvarēt, jo turpmākie pretinieki ir mūsu nacionālās līgas komandas tomēr.